Very good morning, dear guys. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to continue the story Footprints Without Fate. Footprints Without Fate. This story has been written by H.G. Wells. As I told you, this is a science fiction. Okay, here we have seen that there is a character, Mr. Griffin, a scientist, a lawless person. Okay, how he discovered some rare drugs, and with the help of them he became invisible, transparent as a sheet of glass. Okay, but solid. Okay, as a sheet of glass. जैसे sheet of glass एक ट्रांसपेरेंट होती है लेकिन साथ ही साथ सॉलिड होती है, सेम हियर ही वाज सॉलिड बट ट्रांसपेरेंट हिज बॉडी वाज सॉलिड बट transparent. Okay, then let's see what happens there. Brilliant scientist though he was, okay, another thing we can say about Griffin was he was a brilliant scientist he was. Okay, but besides that he was rather a lawless person. Okay, rather a lawless person he was. Okay, this is the most important thing about him, about Griffin, how he was lawless person, and due to that only he misused his discovery. Okay, look at there what is given. His landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. Okay, his landlord. Okay, his landlord disliked him. Why? Because he was a lawless person. As he was lawless person, his landlord did not like him, and that's why he tried to eject. Yes, he tried to eject him from his house. उसको अपने घर से निकालने की उसने कोशिश किया था. किसने? द लैंडलॉर्ड ऑफ मिस्टर ग्रिफिन. एंड देन इन रिवेंज ओके, सो हियर द साइंटिस्ट ग्रिफिन, द लॉलेस पर्सन ग्रिफिन took revenge. He took revenge as his landlord did not like him. His landlord tried to eject him, and that's why to take revenge, Griffin set fire to the house. Set fire to the house. House of the landlord. Okay, the house of the landlord who did not like. So who did not like the scientist, he set fire to the house. Set fire, उस घर को जला देता है, आग लगा देता है. To get away without being seen, he had to remove his clothes. And when he burned down the house, to escape from there without notice or unnoticed, he removed off his clothes. He took off his clothes. अपने सारे कपड़े निकाल देता है ताकि इसे कोई देख न पाए. And thus it was that he became a homeless wanderer. And this way, when he burned down or when he set fire to the house of landlord, that day he became homeless wanderer. Homeless wanderer. Okay, homeless wanderer. So that question can be there. How did Mr. Griffin become homeless wanderer? So here you could say that, or you must answer. Okay, in this manner, he was though he was a brilliant scientist but a lawless person, and that's why the old landlord of Mr. Griffin did not like him. So he wanted to eject him or tried to eject him from his house, and that's why what happened, Mr. Griffin in a revenge set fire to the house and burned down the whole house, and escaped from there unnoticed, removing off all his clothes. and this way that day onwards he became homeless wanderer. Okay, and then what happened? Look at there, without clothes, without money, and quite invisible. And why? Because everything was burned down, all money, his clothes, everything which was there, he burned down. पूरा का पूरा सब चीज वहां जल जाता है. एंड देयर आफ्टर ही बिकेम होमलेस wanderer. Yes, without clothes, then again without money, okay, without money, and quite invisible. But again quite invisible. Why? Because he had no clothes on him, nothing was there on him, and that's why he was transparent, इनविजिबल. ओके, इनविजिबल इसलिए वो हो चुका था. जब कपड़े पहनता था तब दिखाई देता था, बट जब कपड़े ना होते थे तो ही वॉज इनविजिबल. ओके, सो देन व्हाट हैपन? until he happened to step in some mud and left footprints as he walked. So he was invisible until he walked on mud and left imprints, as we have seen there in the opening of the story. The two boys were started in surprise when they saw the imprints, muddy imprints on the steps. So this way, if he walk on mud, so there would be his footprints on the floor. So this way he could become visible, otherwise he was completely invisible. Okay, so he was quite invisible this way. But look at there what happens later on. He escaped easily enough from the boys who followed his imprints in London. And there we have seen in London, in the middle of the London, there in the house which was there in the middle of the London, he stayed in the house with his muddy imprints. But when he was going out, when he was descending the steps, the two boys noticed him. Why? Due to the imprints, muddy imprints on the steps, and they discovered, or they progressed to the street. So the two boys followed him, who were bewildered, who were surprised to see the footprints, fresh footprints from nowhere. So there we have seen that the boys followed him, but he escaped easily. But Mr. Griffin escaped easily. How? As we have seen already, his footprints became fainter and fainter, and at last disappeared. So this way he escaped from the two boys, but his adventures were by no means over. That means these adventures, actually he started robbing people, or eating anything, or doing cheating with others. He started misusing the discovery. And that's why here he says, but his adventures were not over. अभी जो भी adventures वहाँ वो कर रहा था, ये खत्म नहीं हुए थे. He had chosen a bad time of the year to wander about London without clothes. And the time when he burned down the house was not a good time. It was winter season, and that winter season he had burned down his house, his clothes, and everything. And that's why it is said it was not a good time for him to become invisible, or to remain there without clothes. बिना कपड़े के चिली वेदर में अगर रहेगा, सो जाहिर सी बात है, इट वॉज नॉट गुड फॉर हिम एंड फॉर हिज हेल्थ. उसके हेल्थ के लिए भी और उसके लिए भी वो अच्छा नहीं था. एंड दैट्स व्हाई हियर द राइटर सेड ही हैड चोजन अ बैड टाइम ऑफ द ईयर. मीन्स actually that time was of winter season, chilly winter season we can say. And here he was now a wanderer, he was homeless wanderer now, and that's why it was midwinter, as it is given there. As I told you, it was midwinter, the air was bitterly cold. And look at there, we have seen, भले वो ट्रांसपेरेंट है, इनविजिबल बन चुका था, लेकिन उसकी बॉडी सॉलिड थी. दैट मीन्स उसको तो ठंड लगनी ही थी. तो to escape or to save someone from the cold weather, it is better to put on the clothes. But ही हैड नो क्लोथ्स, लेकिन उसके पास बिल्कुल भी कोई कपड़े नहीं थे. एज ही हैड बर्न डाउन द हाउस ऑफ हिज ओन लैंडलॉर्ड एंड इन दैट ऑल हिज क्लोथ्स वर बर्न डाउन. उसमें उसके सारे कपड़े भी जल जाते हैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही हैड नो क्लोथ्स बट देयर वाज एयर विच वाज बिटरली कोल्ड एंड ही कुड नॉट डू विदाउट क्लोथ्स. और बिना कपड़ों के वो जी नहीं सकता था. वाई? बिकॉज देयर वॉज बिटरली कोल्ड एयर एज इट वॉज मिड विंटर की बात है, और इसलिए वहाँ पर पूरा वेदर बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा था. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ वॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रीट ही डिसाइडेड टू स्लीप इन टू अ बिग लंडन स्टोर फॉर वार्मथ. And that's why instead of walking about the street, he decided to sleep into the store, any store, to warm himself, ताकि खुद को वो गर्म कर सके, खुद को ठंड से बचा सके. इसलिए वो डिसाइड करता है कि वो किसी एक आदि बड़ी सी शॉप में अंदर चले जाएगा. क्लोजिंग टाइम ऑफ द शॉप्स अराइव्ड. अब दुकानें बंद होने का टाइम आ चुका था. एंड एज सुन एज द डोर्स वर शट Griffin was able to give himself the pleasure of clothing and feeding himself without regard to expense. Then that means he slept into a store that night, okay, to save himself or to escape from the cold bitterly wind or air, we can say. To save himself from bitterly cold wind, he entered a shop. Yes, and as soon as the doors were shut of the shop, what happened? He started having the pleasure of clothing. Having the pleasure of clothing means he started putting on various clothes on him, and then started feeding himself whatever he wanted without regard of expense. Expense means he had not to pay any penny to the owner को बिल्कुल भी पैसा देना नहीं था, as he was invisible. And now the shop was closed, he was inside alone, so there was no matter of money. So he started feeding himself whatever he wanted. He started putting on various clothes on him, which was what would be the suitable for him. And this way he was having pleasure there in the shop. And then what happened? He broke open boxes, wrappers, and fitted himself out with warm clothes. Look at that. As we have seen, he started having pleasure of putting on clothes. So he started breaking up boxes, yes, opening the wrappers, and then fitted himself out with warm clothes. Warm clothes पहनकर अपने आप को फिट करने लगा, मतलब ट्राई करने लगा, पहनने लगा. एंड देन सुन विद शूज एंड ओवरकोट एंड वाइड ब्रिम्ड हैट ही बिकेम अ फुली ड्रेस्ड एंड विजिबल पर्सन. So at this way he became fully visible person. How? By putting on the clothes, then shoes, then overcoat, then hat, and this way he became visible. और इस तरह से वो विजिबल बन गया. मैंने जैसे कहा था कि अगर कोई कपड़ा नहीं है, सो देन ही इज इनविजिबल. बट इफ ही पुट ऑन एनी क्लोथ ऑन हिम और एनीथिंग ऑन हिम, then that part would become visible. So he put on various clothes, warm clothes, then hat, shoes, and overcoat on him. So then this way he became visible. Okay. So then he became fully dressed, visible person. And then in the kitchen of the restaurant he found cold meat and coffee, and he followed up the meal with sweets and wine taken from the grocery store. So he started feeding himself. अपने मतलब खाने भी लगा. So he found in the kitchen cold meat भी खाया, and then coffee, then followed up meal with sweets and wine, then sweets and then wine taken from the grocery store. Finally he settled down to sleep on a pile of quilts. Okay, so at last he settled down on the pile of quilts. Okay, so एक ढेर थी वहां पर, उस ढेर के ऊपर वो at last वो सो जाता है. So this way बढ़िया कपड़ों का भी मजा ले लिया, खाने पीने का भी मजा ले लिया, एंड एट लास्ट ही स्लेप्ट, और आखिरकार वो फिर सो जाता है। देन अब देखो, नाउ ही वॉज विजिबल, ओके, अब वो विजिबल व्यक्ति बन चुका है और शॉप में अंदर वो सोया हुआ है। सो व्हाट हैपन्स नेक्स्ट डे, अब नेक्स्ट डे क्या होता है देखो, इफ ओनली ग्रिफिन हैड मैनेज टू वेक अप इन गुड टाइम ऑल माइट हैव बीन वेल। इफ अगर वो बिल्कुल सही समय पे उठ जाता, इफ ओनली काश ग्रिफिन हैड मैनेज टू वेक अप इन गुड टाइम, ओके, अगर वो पहले ही अगर सही समय पे उठ जाता, ऑल माइट हैव बीन वेल, सब कुछ बिल्कुल सही होता। बट एज इट वॉज, ही डिड नॉट वेक अप अंटिल द असिस्टेंट्स वर ऑलरेडी अराइविंग नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग। He woke up late next morning. The assistants of the shop already arrived there in the next morning. When he saw a couple of them, when he means Griffin, when Griffin saw couple of the assistants, couple of them approaching, he panicked and began to run. He panicked, वो पैनिक्ड हो गया, परेशान हो गया, एंड देन बिगैन टू रन, और फिर भागने लगा। दे नेचुरली गेव चेस, नेचुरली, यस, इट इज ऑब्वियस दैट इफ somebody is inside and when you open the door of the shop and you find someone there, so definitely you will try to catch him, chase him. So same there, the assistants of the shop try to chase him, and then look at what happened in the end. He was able to escape in the end, लेकिन आखिरकार उस लंदन की शॉप से वो बचने में सक्सेस होता है, लेकिन कैसे? Only by quickly taking off his newly found clothes, taking off newly found clothes, जो अभी उसने नए नए कपड़े पहने थे उनको निकालने के बाद ही he was able to escape only by taking off his clothes. जो भी उसने क्लोथ्स थे, शूज, ओवरकोट, हैट, whatever the things he had put on, all these things he had to take off to escape from the assistants. उस असिस्टेंट से बचने के लिए उसको सारे कपड़े निकाल फेंकने पड़े। एंड सो वंस मोर ही फाउंड हिमसेल्फ इनविजिबल बट नेकेड इन द चिल January air. Yes, so once more time he found himself invisible. फिर से और वो invisible हो गया. Yes, by taking off all the clothes. But now it was not a good time, as I told you, or as it is given there. It was chill January air. So now he was naked in that bitterly cold air time. Okay, mid-winter. जनवरी मंथ की बिल्कुल ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं थी और उस समय में वो नेकेड था, बिना कपड़ों के था। सो हाउ टफ इट वॉज फॉर हिम टू अलाइव और टू लिव देयर विदाउट क्लोथ्स, बिना कपड़े के ऐसे ठंडी एयर में कैसे जिया होगा वही जाने। Then this time he decided to try the stock of a theatrical company in the hope of finding not only clothes but also something that would hide the empty space above his shoulders. So now actually क्या होता है कि इनविजिबल था, हैट तो थी, ड्रेस ओवरकोट वगैरह सारा पहना था, बट द middle part was invisible. So it was really what you can say strange. Look at the picture, इस प्रकार का पिक्चर, look at in the book it is given, this one, how it is what you can say strange to find like this. ये एकदम स्ट्रेंज चीज़ थी, एंड दैट्स वाई नाउ ही डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द ड्रामा, मतलब जो ड्रामा कंपनी के जो स्टोर हाउस होते हैं वहाँ पर, yes, to disguise himself. So look at what he decided. This time he decided to try the stock of a theatrical company. Stock of theatrical that means drama companies. Okay, जो ड्रामा कंपनीज होती है उनमें देखो सारे के सारे ऐसे मतलब पूरे क्लोथ्स होते हैं या फिर पूरी सारी चीजें होती है कि जिससे हम अपना पूरा शरीर ढक सकते हैं। So now he decided to go to the theatrical company in the hope of finding not only clothes, कि जहाँ उसे सिर्फ कपड़े ही नहीं बल्कि but also something that would hide the empty space above his shoulders. उसके shoulders के ऊपर का जो empty space है, मतलब उसका चेहरा और गला, इस पार्ट को भी ढक सके, ऐसी कुछ चीजें प्राप्त करने के लिए he went to the theatrical company, or he decided to go to the theatrical company where he could get not only clothes but also something by which he could hide his body part just above from the shoulders से जो ऊपर का पार्ट है उसको भी हाइड कर सके, ऐसी कुछ चीजें प्राप्त करने के लिए he decided to go to the store of theatrical company. And then what happened? Look at there. Shivering with cold, he hurried to Drury Lane. Shivering. As I told you, it was bitterly cold weather. Yes, it was January, cold January air, and that's why he was shivering due to the cold. ठंड की वजह से, चिली वेदर की वजह से वो कांप रहा था. Shivering with cold, he hurried to Drury Lane. द सेंटर ऑफ द थिएटर वर्ल्ड का सेंटर माना जाता है द ड्ररी लेन. ओके, तो ड्ररी लेन में वो जाता है. ही हरीड टू द ड्ररी लेन. सो ड्ररी लेन, व्हाट इज दैट? ड्ररी लेन इज द लेन वेयर ही कुड गो टू, और वेयर ही कुड गेट द shops of theatrical companies, and this was the center of theatrical world. ओके, थिएट्रिकल या थिएटर वर्ल्ड जो है उसका एक सेंटर माना जाता है लंदन में, ड्ररी लेन. सो ही हरीड टू ड्ररी लेन. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? ही सून फाउंड अ सुटेबल शॉप, and then there he found a suitable shop there. And then what happened? He made his way invisible upstairs and came out a little later wearing bandages around his forehead, dark glasses, false nose, big bushy side whiskers, and a large hat. So now look at that. As he planned to hide, means not only put on the clothes but also some parts or something which would hide his face and neck. So now he entered to a suitable shop there, and then he went upstairs invisible. And came out. और फिर बाहर आते हैं किसके साथ? With some things that he put on. Okay, look at the list of things is given there. He put on the bandages. He put on bandages around his forehead. अपने forehead के आसपास वो bandage लपेट देता है. And a dark glasses on eyes. Then a false nose. Then big bushy side whiskers. Bushy side whiskers means मूछों के लिए उसने एक विस्कर्स भी उसने लगा लिया यहाँ पर, ताकि ये पार्ट भी दिख सके लोगों को. एंड देन अ लार्ज हैट, और एक हैट भी वो पहन लेता है. सो दिस वे ही मेड दिस पार्ट विजिबल बाय पुटिंग ऑन बैंडेज, फॉल्स नोज, ग्लासेस एंड विस्कर्स and hat. By this part, by putting on these things, he made him visible, and then to escape without being seen. अब बिना किसी के नजर आए, unnoticed, he wanted to escape from there. So he callously attacked the shopkeeper from behind, after which he robbed him of all the money he could find. And to escape from there, he attacked the shopkeeper. He attacked the shopkeeper of that shop, that theatrical company. Okay, so he attacked the shopkeeper from behind, callously, धूर्त तरीके से उसको अटैक करता है. and after which, अब जैसे वो शॉपकीपर पीछे पलट कर देखता है, he robbed him off. पूरा का पूरा उसके पास का पैसा जितना भी था वो रॉब करके वहाँ से निकल जाता है. So this way here Mr. Griffin robbed the shopkeeper को भी उसने रॉब किया. As I told you, he became thief, cheated people, robbed people. So how a lawless person he was. कितना ये lawless person था कि उसने अब चोरी करना भी शुरू कर दिया था. So this is what I wanted to tell you, or I want to tell you that Mr. Griffin misused the discovery. Okay, so dear guys, I stop myself here. The remaining part we will do in our next video lecture. So keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes. Bye bye.